chief guest, the Chief of the Defense Forces of Uganda People's Defense Forces.
Desiderius Mande was born in Bukomerwa village, Bukomorwa parish, G Town Council, Kinkizi West, Kanu district, to late Bandwaniza Mark area. In 1969.
Asanyi balina lingi nnyo olw'okuweereza.
Thank you very much.
Amina. Thank you, thank you. Amina. Buli omu akugamba nti amina, buli omu akugamba nti amina. The
Deputy CDF, the Batwa officials present, service commanders, Chief of Joint Staff, service chiefs of staff, members of the Joint Staff, general officers present, retirees and your families, senior and junior officers present, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It is my honor and privilege to join you today as we retire the senior officers of Batch 16 of the UPDF. This is a significant milestone, not only in your personal lives, but also in the life of our institution and our nation. Today, we recognize a generation of officers who have served Uganda with distinction, loyalty, professionalism, and steadfast commitment. On behalf of the Uganda People's Defense Forces and on my own behalf, I extend my sincere appreciation and congratulations to each one of you. Your years of service have strengthened our force and contributed greatly to the peace, stability, and sovereignty of our country. Through your dedication, discipline, and sacrifice, you have helped shape the UPDF into a respected and professional military institution. As we honor you today, we also reflect on the journey of the UPDF. From its origins in the liberation struggle, our force has grown into one of the most professional militaries on the African continent. This progress has been made possible by officers and soldiers who answered the call to serve under demanding and often dangerous circumstances. Your generation of officers has played a central role in that transformation. Many of you have served in operations that restored peace within our borders, protected our people, supported regional stability, and contributed to international peace support missions. Others have served in staff appointments, training institutions, logistics, engineering, the medical services, intelligence, administration, and many other fields. Whatever your assignment, your contribution has been.